guys, welcome to another video on Firewater Ninja. Today I'm going to be playing another game of Prodigy. So let's get started. I'm starting off battling someone, which I wasn't expecting. But yeah, I'm on Slurpee. I want to finish this. This is minus 14, guys. You know it. Boom. I'm just guessing. I'm kidding, guys. I don't guess. I'm not using a lot of attack because that's just a waste. What's the best name for this quadrilateral? Oh my goodness. I'm just gonna guess. Okay. Guys, I just guessed that. Because I know I've learned this, but I just don't want to do it right now. It's too easy. I just feel like it's so easy, that's why. I don't want to take time guessing something easy. This is so easy. Why are they giving me such easy things? Okay, yeah. Spell bubbles. Bam. Woo! I'm so happy I don't have to battle this. Oh my! Guys, I have no. What the heck was that? I don't want to battle. How did I not see that? Guys, I'm using a lot of attack. I wanted to rescue that pet, but I think it looks really good. Woo! Chillin' sharp, pardon me. I am going.
did you get over here? No matter. This dish...
Why do I have to battle? Oh, this is a boss
Always
battle?
start battle with an appetizer.
That is not fair. One, two, three, four. This is 9 stuff. 2, 3, 3. I said. I don't even know what level you're on. How am I supposed to know? That's literally no damage at all. Now I can just tell he's like a few levels behind. I think he's on like the 60 level. Total stars 12. 3 cubes. 4. Why does that give me equation? Is he dead? Oh, well, this is not fair at all. Bam. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. 16. 8 times 3. It's basically 8 times 3, guys. 24. 3. 8. The correct answer. How is he still not dead? This isn't even close.
Still hungry? Time for the main course.
He gets to do that? 5, 10, 15, 25. 5. 5. This is not fair. This is not fair, guys. How does he cast spells if he only has like a thing I forgot? Total star. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 42. Stars. 6. Stars per girl. 7. Here's a fathead.
There is always room for dessert.
That is not fair, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 times 5 is 40. Groups of stars. 5. Stars for both. Daddy's always from the dessert. Missed. Yeah, that's what you get. Why does it keep adding foods? First of all, I didn't know foods could talk or something. 9 times 6. 54. Group of stars. 6. Stars for brew. 9. Bam. Gonna get that guy. How is he not dead? Okay, this is just unfair. not my interest. I get only a one. I did all of that for something I already have.
I must admit, you have not just bested me in a battle, but also in the kitchen. Your cooking. It is exquisite. That dish of yours. I must have your recipe.
Well, actually, we didn't cook it.
Then you must bring the chef to the queen. She will demand such a task.
All finished. Let's... Valiant effort, my wizard sidekick!
No.
The chef wants me to meet the queen? Wow! What an honor! I hope he's still not mad about the whole getting fired thing.
Come on, Slurpee. I don't care. Why me? Gonna have battles on the way. So 7, 8. Please be. Thanks. No, I don't want to do a whole lot of attack. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just. Lots of gold.
Your Majesty, I present to you your new chef, Slurpee.
What? This little slimeling? Is this a joke?
'Tis no joke, madame. Here is but a taste of a talent.
Cebellini? Why, Cebellini, this is even better than your turnip stew. It is decided, then. Slurpee, you will become the new royal chef.
What? But you only know how to make one dish! This is way too much pressure!
I think what he is trying to say is that Slurpee wants to become my new apprentice in the royal kitchen. Of course, I would need my job back.
Well, I haven't eaten in hours, and as long as you don't break the royal rule again.
But of course, never in my life, madame.
Okay, guys, let's wrap it up from there. I'll make a part 2, and bye.